I'm standing right here as they lay the very first cornerstone. This is literally the beginning of the White House. Nothing but dirt, stone, and ambition.
These stones came straight from Aquia Creek. Every block you see back there is being hauled, cut, and lifted completely by hand.
This place is loud, exhausting, and nonstop. From sunrise to sunset, they're building what will become the president's home.
Look at how high those walls are now. You can finally see the shape of the White House coming together.
It's almost done. After years of work, this place is finally starting to look like the symbol it'll become.
Thank you. Please subscribe.